Hello, it's the Council. Welcome to my new video. And topic of today is insights about digital marketing and what's next, what will happen to old mediums such as newspaper ads and broadcasting. Digital marketing is a really old term. It means any effort of marketing that is conducted with any electronic device. And it can be done offline or online. I have one question for you. When you are watching TV and commercial break starts, what's the first thing you want to do? You want to get the remote control and fast forward the commercial break. If that's not possible, you will dig up one of these. You start fiddling with your mobile phone. Another scenario, you are driving a car and you stop for red lights. So what's the first thing you are going to do? You will dig up one of these. When you're in traffic in your car and you look around, driver in next car is either talking to his phone or sending some type of message or just browsing internet with mobile phone. So does it really make any sense to spend your ad budget in platforms that are old and people are not paying attention to? So would it really make sense to target your audience in a platform where you can target by niche, target by interests, target by demographics, have hundreds of different ad creatives and split test them and optimize them? So here is the arbitrage in ad spending, at least in small countries. Countries like Finland, we have big companies that still spend their money on old platforms, such as print media like newspapers, magazine ads, TV commercials. And we don't have big heavily funded companies that have venture capital money that would purchase ads in digital medium. And Finland is so small country that the audience is too small for high growth for these venture capital firms. So we have really big opportunity and arbitrage in digital space. Cost per impression, cost per click, click-through rates, everything is really low. And if you check the cost per acquisition or whatever metric you are chosen, it really makes sense to spend your money on digital ads. When you can target so specifically and have certain message for single individual, does it really make sense to broadcast one message to all audience that don't pay attention to it? And even as Facebook is getting really old and Google is old as well, the algorithms, they work so well that they choose the best customer for you. Even the target audience would be enormously large. And the sole reason that small companies will grow and big companies will lose their market share due to the reason that small companies can enter the market and buy digital marketing with really low expenditure. And anyone can do Facebook marketing, anybody can learn Google AdWords marketing, anybody can learn display marketing. You can target anybody you want and you can communicate your message with people that it resonates with. And entrepreneurs are something that regular people look up to. And when you're an entrepreneur, you can communicate it really well. So yes, I will teach you how to do it. And thanks for watching, and please comment below